So today we will see how we can change keyboard in Dell series. That model is Latitude E5500. I have this model there, Dell Latitude E5500, and it's very easy to change keyboard on this laptop. We will see how we can change keyboard. First of all, as usual, remove battery from the system, because any technical work you have to remove the battery. Then you come on the keyboard side. It's very easy to change. I have this corner. You will see this corner is very, I'm just zooming the system. I will show you. There is a corner. Only push this strip very slightly and put screen at this level. You will see this strip will come. It will be very slightly. You have to do this one.
Hello.
I remove this one. Then there are two screws are there. I'm just removing that screws. It's very slightly. You have to remove the screw. I'm just removing. Then slightly remove keyboard and release from the cap. There is no any cable from the back side. Only there is this strip is connected to the motherboard. So that's why if you purchase new keyboard and if you want to change this keyboard, replace this keyboard to the new one, then you can change other new. I'm just putting back this keyboard there, the same slide, because this keyboard is okay. This is only for the demonstration purposes. I'm just pushing this keyboard slightly there. Okay, now I put this one. I'm just putting back to screw in front of you. I'm just putting back screw. Then your keyboard gonna fix. See. Then in this way you have to put your screen and putting back this strip there. First of all, you have to insert these two, then this way, then this strip. It's very easily you can just simply press the locks of strip, then it will be fixed. So yeah, in this way you can change keyboard for this model Latitude E5500. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe and share in my YouTube channel Abdul Fanzo. Thank you so much.